My dishwasher is not starting. Start light flashing with 3 beep. I replaced the door latch and same thing, I did a restart and it shows 815 in the estimated time.
What happened just before the light on your dishwasher came on?
Model number, GDF610PMJ2S.
How long has this been going on with your dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
OEs.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's been doing this on and off for several months. I have done is replace the door latch.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your dishwasher. I understand how frustrating that must be. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to type. In the meantime, if you have anything else you'd like to add, you can respond and I'll read it while I'm typing. The 3 beeps means that your dishwasher thinks that your door latch has failed. However, it's almost never the door latch causing the problem. In fact, I've only seen it happen twice ever where the latch failed. You'll need to pull the dishwasher out and follow the wires from the door latch down to the control board and make sure they did not get broken from opening and closing the door and rubbing on them. If the wires all check good, the control board below the dishwasher tub behind the kick panel needs to be replaced. The part number you'd need to order for your model is WD21 by 23717, and it typically costs about $75 or so. Below is a link to a video on how to replace the control board for your style model. https://www.youtube.com/watch. V=Voyage. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
The wires are not broken. Just check them.
Then you just have a common problem with the control board needing to be replaced, I'm sorry to say.
Okay. I thank you for your time.
You're welcome, and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.